Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.
Hey, yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with West Was One. Yes, Deva Bratt. West Was One. Remake. It's a remake. So, on a semi-react to that one, yeah, but it was off a mixtape. Big up DJ Fredo. Big up a 7G. That was from Fee mixtape. So, that one I know is the new revamp, but a different rhythm apparently. So, we can have more clarity and we can understand and break down better with the GSA. Alright? So, big up yourself. Everybody, let's go. Bynes, good morning, by the way. Good morning. Sorry, my woman as this morning wasn't there, so sorry. Let's go.
Actually, hey, I'm Rombre. I tell you.
Hold on. This step on the dog start sell white stone lock off the massacre rhythm. All right.
I got a mission to do, my friend. Me, my gun. I tell you, contigo. Me and my gun. That's all I need.
So, me take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger rest pan. Me smith a West and figgy them a lesson, me no bless man. Me right.
Let's go again.
Actually.
Storytelling time.
Hey, I'm Rombre.
Yeah.
I tell you, I got a mission to do, my friend. Me, my gun, I tell you, contigo. Me and my gun. That's all I need.
So, me take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger rest pan. Me smith a West and figgy them a lesson, me no bless man.
So, imagine what I must say now. Cap down in my face, trigger finger rest pan the Smith and Wesson. Forgive them yo.
Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger rest pan. Me smith a West and figgy them a lesson, me no bless man. Me ride through the town as a outlaw, all ex can me see a post.
Me ride through the town like a outlaw. Ex-con Vic, criminal, prison board, yeah.
I wasn't figgy them a lesson, me no bless man. Me ride through the town as a outlaw, all ex-con me see a posters with a head them have $1 million. Panda man now wanted by the bounties and gangsters in Piang.
You know, yeah, watch them all Western show there, just picture that. Yeah, tramples to a little village, a little town, and see a wanted poster, knowing say you are the person where I go get the bounty and get the money, yeah? You know, say I go feel nice, right? Cause no boy can get to it. No boy, my dog. No boy.
See a posters with a head them have $1 million. Panda man now wanted by the bounties and gangsters in Piang. Me ask them where him name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say Gaza land. Me
ask him where him name say last man stand. Where you can find him Gaza land. Last man standing. I can't tell. Last man standing. Me are the last man standing. Last man stand. Where you can find him? Gaza land. Me rascal. Me don't know if I can't tell him attack.
Jamaica's worst.
Never knows I teach him attack.
Me ask them where him name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say Gaza land. Me once I go out a riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion.
Him want saggle out and ride out. Pan a stallion. Man never say no horse. Man not ride on horse. A stallion the G say. Yeah, a stallion. With him chrome pistol which shine like medallion. That's why he blood clot, you say to me.
Me once I go out a riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a black rhino and him ran me game. Pines in a foot him face strapping in the pig pan.
The first man him see a black rhino. When rhino see him rhino run. Oh guess what? He give him binds in a foot. Him drop rhino face in the pig pan. You know, see a beer shit in that, you know, man. Grimy, cross. Rhino get the first gun, alright?
Me once I go out a riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a black rhino and him ran me game. Pines in a foot him face strapping in the pig pan. Put one in I made and continue the mission pan.
Yeah, man, I make sure say him dead, you know. I put one in him head, you know. Remember say, you know. Get a bind in a foot, that not kill you, you know. That go slow you down. But when you get one more in your head, you know so you go pronounce.
The roof, the rifleman. Him a one baby in the pram pan. Put one in I made and continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman. Him a one baby in the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun, no time on. A tree store, we building him, drop off and drop plumb the one in.
So, after I mash up right now, he might trampose the same way and see a rifleman on the roof. But that rifleman is Sean Storm. Because he must say, he might try to kick up a storm. Sean Storm, I try to kick up a storm. Him go so. Half of one 3-story building him land, boof. Like a breadfruit. Breadfruit, boof. Blood clot. One in a.
I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun, no time on. A tree store, we building him, drop off and drop plumb. The one in the out there, in a suit like Cam, me go suck on my arm, slam sound like a bomb, my Remington when me.
The one that say, out there, Javinci, everybody get it. Javinci get it.
The one in the out there, in a suit like Cam, me go suck on my arm, slam sound like a bomb, my Remington when me get from the Mexicans. A 20 piece of peso, bring warm him, head or him hand, so no ask, so they got the pan.
Yo. The man a kill everything around cartel, head towards cartel. That's that the song I go on here saying, no dog. The man a kill what? Rhino, Sean Storm, Javinci, you know. Who next, Popcorn?
Corn in a face from a war, them piece of peso, bring warm him, head or him hand, so no ask, so they got the pan. Corn in a face from a war, them the pan, now them the pan. Me need the money, I'm a best man. Me and me gun married, me a the groom and best man. In the Wild West, me have the vilest, quickest and quick.
The man say, him and him gun married. Him and the groom and the best man. Blood clot.
Jamaica's worst game.
What a wedding. What a wedding. What a wedding. Blood clot.
Me and me gun married, me and the groom and best man. In the Wild West, me have the vilest, quickest and kick the door of the casino. Me no ask questions, sight him a gamble with dirty Harry and Charles Branson.
Yeah, man, kick off the door to the casino and enter when me see me sight him a gamble with Charles Branson and who?
Kick the door of the casino. Me no ask questions, sight him a gamble with dirty Harry and Charles Branson. Put shot past scatter him say, who you where you from? Me tell him say me represent the crucial clan. I try.
Blood clot. Put shot past scatter. Him say, who you where you from? Tell him say me represent for the crucial clan. Binds on. Scatter get binds too.
If you offer me a drink, I try to pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey. No, give me the vibes one. Me know say
Tender, bartender, yeah. Bartender, give me some whiskey. No, give me the vibes one. You know what the vibes from?
offer me a drink, I try to pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey. No, give me the vibes one. Me know say him a Judas double crossing like a snake in the grass. That double blast, you're gonna be the last one.
Blood Binds
me know say him a Judas double crossing like a snake in the grass. That double blast, you're gonna be the last one. Wait, me the door push. No pram push. No mad dog, mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in him foot.
So he must say mad sus a gun bag. He must say mad sus a gun bag. Man say mad sus shot himself in him foot. Mad sus, how you do it gun? Go put it down, go put it down, go put it down. Blood clot.
No pram push, no mad dog, mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in him foot. Should allow the badness go on the country, go and go chop bush.
You should allow the badness go on the country, go chop bush. We don't know a mad sus story, you know, say a country forward from. Everybody say your brother should allow the badness go on the country, go chop bush, man. Yeah, like, yeah, gun back, yeah.
Sheriff and the senator, each up in the passage. When they swing low, the badness go on the country, go and go chop bush. The sheriff and the senator, each up in the passage. When they swing the berita, the damage, I go savage.
The sheriff and the senator. So, he not only remake the song, him also put in more lyrics to the song. Aye.
Scream like Erica shot each up in the passage. When they swing the berita, the damage I go savage. She must scream like Erica shot boss him perish. Should I never become an handbag and get carried away? Bumbo class.
You should never become an handbag and get carried away. You should never become a handbag. You want to see a teacher handbag? Yo!
Erica shot boss him perish. Should I never become an handbag and get carried away? Bumbo class. Missy Mooney run. Brother, me they ever shot him, me through me gun. Go down the cook him, my head and him show the ground. Not even quagmire wedding suit not done.
It's MC Mooney. He not even shoot Mooney cause not always a shot for Mooney. So him say him see Mooney and fling him gun. And then conky him head. Mooney gun go off. Him say not even Quagmire suit get for done. Wedding suit get for done. So obviously you know say Mooney a cartel Taylor. So I'm tell you say not even that get for done because Mooney a go dead.
Go down the conk him name head and him show the ground. Not even Quagmire wedding suit not done. When gunshot a beat in a second, teach the sheep them a lesson. The right over me left hand and I shoot it like a Beckham. Guns in session, me no need confession. Since you not apologize, look up in me weapon.
This bad. Man say, yo, since you not apologize, brother, to your 30 days you apologize. Since you not apologize, look up at this. One. What the fuck is going on?
Guns in session, me no need confession. Since you not apologize, look up in me weapon. You shoulda never try black ball or black talent. No, black talent, show you what I meant.
Oh, paper words is nasty, disgusting, rude. Call the police there. You shoulda never black ball or black talent. Black talent. Yo, what the fuck?
Come, guns in session, me no need confession. Since you not apologize, look up in
my weapon.
You shoulda never try black ball or black talent. No, black talent, show you what I meant. Shut.
Oh, you shoulda never try black ball or black talent. You shoulda never black ball a black talent. Black talent. No black talent. Yo, bumbo clap paper words, brother. No, sir.
You shoulda never try black
ball or black talent. No, black talent.
Show you what I meant. Shot beat like criminal, you never know what's coming. One bag of chatting talent. Show you what I meant. Shot beat like criminal, you never know what's coming. One bag of
shot beat like Kumina. You never know what's coming. If you even know what the Kumina, wanna go check out the Kumina.
Chatting in the war and a lament. Boy, go for the voodoo stick with the lamed. Crush man a crush out the comment like a damn egg.
Go for the voodoo stick with the lamed. Crush man a crush out the comet. How the blood clot? Remember the teacher said the comet is coming, you know. So you must say you crush out the comet like a what?
Boy, go for the voodoo stick with the lamed. Crush man a crush out the comment like a damn egg.
Crush out the comet like a damn egg. Imagine just all a raw egg in it and I squeeze it. I go crush already blood clot.
Go for the voodoo stick with the lamed. Crush man a crush out the comment like a damn egg. Send for now on the nightly fix panel. CNN, primetime news every channel.
Yeah. Big up on yourself, Nightly Fix. Yes, man. Nightly Fix, when I can't give you an interview. Nightly Fix, when I feel like people want to know who me is to. Me not reach a stage yet. Naro, me not reach Ari, Javi, me not reach a stage yet. Yo, big up on yourself. I joke MX. Big up on yourself. Man, so send for them, send for Nightly Fix, CNN, send for everybody, worldwide news, because them need to know this.
Send for now on the Nightly Fix panel. CNN, primetime news every channel. Look up in the Smith and West, spin barrel. White shirt and red and no wine and no sorrel.
No. Make we go look on this. How we can find this? Wala. Oh, me not have that one. All right. So the thumbnail, so where the thing here, so RIP vibes freak tell date. They thought the wedding day. Failure to apologize and show homage. Funeral home ship. Yo. Hear me say, man. Sheep Nation is what is put this about. The person who make this say ship. A sheep. So the person who make this get the part there wrong. Sheep Nation Memorial Park. You see me? SHEEP for sheep, not SHIP. Not Ship Nation. Sheep Nation, my G. But yeah, yo, this bad still. This bad. And this a part one. So I am awaiting part second to see what else am I going to talk in a part second because him see a whole heap of things in this. And nothing get saying in this, you know. Blood clot. Mine's another one, man. What I say? I break it down as much as I could right there. I break it down. It's first thing in the morning. So if nothing go on my head, sorry, which I don't anything did as much. But yeah, big up yourself, Deva Bratt. Crucial conflict, big up yourself. Big up the production team. I show what the work them see me. This remake was nice. I like this remake. I think this remake was was worth the remake. Yes, that the remake was worth the remake. But yeah, big up on yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.